Hello and happy Friday. Welcome our special guest, Darth Maul. Today we're going to be doing our makeup with stuff we got from the mystery boxes. So that means the mini breaker, the 24 karat highlighter palette, our alien palette, and then we got a couple of lippies. We got Legends Only, the Succulent Limited Edition lip gloss, and I have the Mystery VLL, and this I technically didn't get in my boxes, but it did come in the bigger boxes, so I bought it from somebody who didn't want it, and that's Blow Pony. So I've already done my base, and for my foundation, I used the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And I also used the Radiance Concealer that comes with it. And I used the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And for my eyebrows, the NYX Brow Pencil, the Micro Define Pencil. So I'm going to be trying to use my palettes for like blush and of course eyeshadow. And then I've got my lippies. Things that I didn't get in the box that we'll be using today is the MAC Fix Plus in the Cucumber scent that's exclusive to Ulta apparently. And then we have the NYX Matte Eyeliner, which is my favorite and great for beginners in case you're wondering. And then I think for mascara, we're going to try this Lorac Pro Plus Fiber Mascara, and then maybe we'll throw on some mink lashes in the style Gaia, I want to say. And these are from AOA Studios. They were $1.70, I do believe. So let's get started. So these greens have really, and of course because Alien, they've really been calling my name. And I have dipped into this palette a little bit. I used Area 51. I've swatched all of them. And I used Phone Home, and I've used Interstellar. This is just such a beautiful color. But I think today I really want to try to use Alien and Abduction, maybe Flying Saucer. That one doesn't swatch very well. And then maybe, this Probe color I've been dying to use. So these colors I'm going to try to put together and what?
You sexy?
No, I'm not. The other day, on Valentine's Day, I used the colors Oral, Purple Punch, Bite Me, and Area 51 from the Alien palette to make a beautiful Valentine's Day look. I'll try to insert a picture here so that y'all can see that. I really didn't think I was going to like this mini breaker palette as much as I do. I really love this palette. These colors are gorgeous. So what we're going to use the mini breaker palette for is I think I'm going to try to mix the bubblegum color and the orange crush color to make like a blush color. So we'll see how that turns out. This is like purely experimental. I have no idea what's about to happen here. Oh shit, that's pigmented. That is very pigmented. So, yeah, alright. Well, let's see what happens here. Yeah, I think we're going to have to diffuse that a little bit. Very pigmented. Okay. I'll just throw some on this other cheek over here. Holy cow. Alright. We're gonna buff this out, of course. I'm not leaving this like this. That'd be funny if we did, though. So I'm blinging out my mirror. It's not done yet. I had a couple of little gemstones fall off right here. You can't tell when it's super bright, but it turns like blue and purple. I mean, the camera just really doesn't do it justice. And it's taken me a long time because it is a very intricate process. Oh, there you go. You can see some purples. Oh yeah, that's better. That's much better. Tone that way down. I think I need to tone my light way down too. It looks a little bright. Whew. In case anybody was wondering, I don't know about this being cucumber smelling. It reminds me of something. I can't put my finger on what exactly. Yeah, I don't know what that smell is. But it's definitely not cucumber. So for our highlighter, we're going to go in with Sarcophagus, which is the lightest color in the palette. Also, I used Legendary as an eyeshadow topper the other day. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. He wasn't lying when he said these highlighters were good. I've quit highlighting my Cupid's bow because it gives like a milk mustache look, and I can't unsee it. Somebody said it, and then I was like, oh yeah, it definitely does that. Now I can't unsee the milk mustache, so I don't do that anymore. All right, so I think let's go in with Abduction. Actually, let's go in with Gravity for our transition color first. Oh, I got a little creasing here. I love it. I love it. You know, they're coming out with the Sailor Moon Color Pop collection, which they would have already come out with by the time this goes up. And it is the day before the Bloodlust launch. And I love Sailor Moon. And I'm really torn. So I'm not sure. Like, I really want the Bloodlust, but I also really want the Sailor Moon Color Pop collection. It's that one is, I'm a huge Jeffree fan, don't get me wrong. But I'm a huge Sailor Moon fan too. So this decision is not easy for me. If you hear crying, Kissy Bear's giving his daddy a hard time right now. So pretty. Okay. Oh, and I put Titan on the brow bone from the Alien palette. Such a pretty, creamy, natural color. So, greens normally aren't my jam, but we're going there today. We're going to do this, okay? Just to try something different. It's the fun in makeup if you don't experiment, right? You know what I'm saying? So now we're going to go in with abduction on the eyelids. Now I'm really starting to think I should have used green as this abduction as my transition color. Alright, I think I'm going to use, let's use Flying Saucer. No. Let's use, oh, this is hard. Okay, how about, okay, alright. Let's use Probe. Let's put it in our corner over here. I think this would be a really pretty all over the lid color too. We're just gonna smudge this line out, kind of get it to diffuse a little, and that way we don't got any harsh lines. Alright, now let's pack some of this alien over the top of abduction and see what we get. Happens if we spray a little Fix Plus on our brush. Oh yeah, that's much better. I'm gonna make sure we're blending everything. Not bad, not bad. I think that we will use this Interstellar color, or the Flying Saucer. Use Flying Saucer underneath. Getting a little fallout here from our Flying Saucer color. I've seen a lot of people who got this palette in their mystery boxes. They're saying they don't want to use it, and I'm just over here like, girl, use the dang palette. It's freaking beautiful. How could you have something like this and not use it? I get that it's discontinued. Use the palette. But if you're one of those people who have it and then don't want to use it, let me know why. Why don't you want to use it? I'm just curious. We need a detail brush. I love these motor brushes so much that I got some more in the Boxy pop-up shop. They are just, they're my favorite. And I definitely need some more brushes. to use this Interstellar color in my corner. Then let's take some of this probe color and put it in here, just to connect everything. I decided I'm going to use the Mystery Velour Liquid Lip for this look. It's not like a red, it's like a pink, a dark pink metallic, but it does look to me like it's coming off red. So, the succulent gloss over the top. Oh my goodness, that's so... That's gorgeous. Throw on some eyeliner real quick. Definitely did my eyeliner a little thick, but baby boy needs me, and so I'm gonna have to rush through the end of this video. Okay, we're gonna try the Lorac Pro Fiber Plus mascara today. I can definitely tell a difference. It like instantly lengthens your lashes. I wouldn't say it like gives them a ton of volume, but the length is definitely there. Alright, I went a little ham with that eyeliner. But we're gonna skip the lashes today. Alright, so that was our doing our makeup with what we got in our boxes, in our Jeffree Star mystery boxes. And Kissy Pears here to help me say we hope you have a great day, and we're glad you watched. If you're new here, please hit subscribe, and if you liked our video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you. Bye.